Good morning, Sugar Plum. How are you? Oh, this light doesn't work. How are you doing? Oh, it's dark. Did you have a good sleep? Hey? Did you have a good sleep? You thinking about it? Hey? Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? Yeah. Tell us all about it. Oh. Well, that was kind of rude. The silly little monkey. Yeah. Oh boy. Ready to get up? So, she did sleep better last night. She woke up twice, which is good. 3.5 hours sleep, 3.5 hours sleep. This is more than twice, and then an hour sleep, and then an hour sleep. So, she woke up 3 times, and this is her 4th wake up, and time to get up. Not her normal 12-hour sleep, but she seems happy. Yeah. I wish it was brighter. Yeah, it's not so bright, is it? No, it's not so bright, is it? Okay, we should change your little bum bum. Should we get a fresh bum bum? Yeah? Yeah? Okay.